Hi, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. My name is Tisha. I spoke to Maria in regards to getting a video over to you all. So I came across your website when doing research on plumbers in your area. So I just wanted to show just some tips to help you improve your online presence and get more customers. So today we'll be talking about three different areas, one being content, citations, and backlinks. So citations, excuse me, I'm sorry. So content would be anything that could be found within the website. So any words, pictures, how the pictures are saved, videos, so anything that's listed on your website. I do recommend having a minimum of 1,500 words, and then that way you're able to include keywords throughout the website. So keywords are very important because when someone's typing in a certain service that they may need or looking for a plumber, when they type that in, if you have those keywords included in your website, then it helps you rank a little bit higher, and then it also helps people find your website. It'll lead them over to your business. The next would be citations. So citations are anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number can be found. Now, this can be found through Google. This could be found through Angie's List, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Better Business Bureau. So there are many different ways that you can have your business listed. So we want to make sure that you will want to make sure that you have as many citations as possible. The next thing is when I typed in plumbers in Napa, California. So the first thing we'll see here is the map pack. These are businesses that have a Google My Business. So it's really important to have your business listed here. Oftentimes when people type in a certain service or type of company they're looking for, they will call the first company that they see. So that's going to be good to be listed here. The next is going to be an organic search. So I was checking here. The goal is to be here listed on the first page. So first you'll see here Yelp. The first business that you see, however, will be Ken Mays Plumbing. Then you see Home Advisor, and then the next business would be Mr. Rooter. So those would be your two top competitors. Now I did go through 12 pages and I wasn't able to find your business name. So that means that that's an area to where you will want to work on and getting to where you can get on that front page. So let's go ahead and look at your website. So this is a website we use called Ahrefs. Now with Ahrefs, it shows exactly how your website is doing, and then we'll also check your two competitors. So I'm showing here that I didn't get much data from your actual website. Now this could be because I'm not sure if you're a new company or if it just hasn't began ranking, but it's not showing me any information at all. And then it does show here you have had some increased traffic to your website since you actually started it, but not giving me too much information and not showing any keywords or traffic or how much money is coming through. So it's not giving me any data. But I do want to show you Ken Mays Plumbing. So this would be the top competitor here. So they're using, excuse me, they have 672 backlinks. Now backlinks are any links that can be found on the internet or web that leads back to your website. So the more backlinks that you currently have, the more traffic you will have. Now, all backlinks are not equal. So if you have a backlink, for example, coming from a restaurant versus a hardware store, then you will generate a different type of traffic or amount of traffic. So it's good to have some good backlinks. They're using 110 keywords. They bring in about 206 people to their website per month, and they're generating a little bit over $4,000 based on that traffic. For their keywords, these are some of the keywords that they're using here. So when people are typing in these keywords or phrases, then that's what's actually leading them back over to their business. Okay, so then that's why it's important to actually include that in your website. And then the next will be Mr. Rooter. So they have over 105,000 backlinks. They're using over 113,000 keywords, bringing in over 132,000 people coming to their website, and also bringing in about 738,000. Now, this is a franchise business. So, but these are the type of numbers that they're bringing in because of the backlinks and keywords that they're currently using. So I hope that you were able to take some of those tips and implement them into your own website to bring in more business. If you would like to discuss a little bit further ways that I can help you increase your online presence and bring in more business, I'd be happy to help. Please give me a call at 916-378-9773. Either way, I would love to hear back from you just to get some feedback on this video. Again, thank you so much for taking your time to watch, and I hope you have a good day.